R2-D2, Your Highness.
Welcome back to Scale Model Kit Review. I am back with issue 67 from Build Your Own R2-D2. This is part of pack 17, and this is only available from Fan Home. I purchased mine from D'Agostini Model Space. Let's go ahead and look at the instructions. This is going to be a real quickie here. We're going to start working on the body frames, and I'll give you a closer look. And we start to work on the main body of R2. There's the parts involved. Lots of different screws were included with this. Start on the bottom frames. Very easy to do. And like I said, there's not much here to do. Let me get the parts and I'll be right back. Here's those parts. All metal, very heavy. Let's get a closer look. And here's the frame parts, all made of metal. They all are marked with numbers. And 2 bags of screws. Let's get started. Going to be assembling the 2 frame parts, BF27 and BF30, and it's simply just going to go together like that. And actually, we're going to install the screw from the other side. It is a countersunk screw. We received a lot of screws in this issue, so you want to save the rest of them and just pull out the silver countersunk screws. Go ahead and put this together again here. I'm going to put in the countersunk screw. It is a 2.3 by 6 millimeter screw. It's already threaded on the other side. So I'm not going to put it in very tight so I can adjust it later. I'm going to put in the other one, making sure that these are lined up just like that. Same on the other side. The next one. Alright, that looks good there. And that's what I mean by countersunk. See, they don't stick up. They're sunk in. Do the other side. Same thing. Just going to put that down on top. And put that screw in. If it gets jammed up, it means it's cross-threaded, so you want to back it out and try again, because it should go in freely. Line up the next one there. And the last one. There we go. Now I can go ahead and snug them all down. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some Loctite to the threads on the other side. And there's the Loctite there. They also make a red Loctite. This is the blue. It's almost like a glue for hardware. good there. Let's look at the articles in issue 67. And it begins with the last-minute alterations for building the Galaxy. Lots of inside looks here on what happened in the studio. 000 protocol droid. That's really cool there. Bandai came out with a really cool kit of that. Case study for the General 000. Capturing Luke Skywalker. Robotic vision. So we all know that a lot of robotics going on around there with vacuum cleaners and the such like that. Drones, cameras, and the instructions. You get a preview of issue 68. Body panels, body details, shoulder fitting. And that completes the bottom frames for stage 67. Stay tuned for stage 68. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel and smash that like button. Remember, you can only get this from Fan Home. I purchased mine many years ago from D'Agostini Model Space. Happy modeling, everybody, and take care.